Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot Redmi 15C. Okay, so the process is really easy. I'm sure that all of you can handle it. So all you need to do is to launch the power menu, and we do it by clicking the power button and volume up button at the same time. Just like that. Now as you can see, the power menu launched. Now we need to drag this white ball into the reboot. Now simply release your finger. And now within a second our device will be automatically turned on back again, and it will be ready to use. Also, performing a simple reboot is good for your device health, because during that process you simply close the processes that are running in the background, and also this process frees up some RAM. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.